Welcome to this step-by-step guide on how to make a wedding invitation card in Canva. Begin by opening Canva and searching for wedding invitation card in the search bar. Choose a template that suits your wedding theme and style. Click on Customize this template to personalize it for your special day. Double-click on the text to edit and input your own wedding details. To add an image, navigate to Uploads and click on Upload Files to upload the image you want to include on your invitation. Select the uploaded image and add it to the page where you want it to be displayed. And there you have it! If you found this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing and liking the video. Thank you for watching.